14 foods that are great for fighting psoriasis. Hey there, beautiful people. Quick question. Have you ever heard of psoriasis? Or maybe you know someone who struggles with it? It's not just dry skin or a random rash. Psoriasis is actually a common autoimmune skin condition that causes your skin cells to grow way faster than they should. These extra cells pile up and form itchy, red, scaly patches that can show up almost anywhere. Elbows, knees, scalp, even your back or stomach. It's not contagious, but it is uncomfortable, painful, and for many people, really embarrassing. But here's the good news. While there's no magic cure, there are ways to make life a whole lot easier. And one of the most powerful tools? Your diet. Yes, what you put on your plate can actually change the way your skin looks and feels. So in today's video, we're diving into 14 amazing foods that can help fight psoriasis naturally, reduce flare-ups, and calm inflammation from the inside out. Ready? Let's glow from the inside, together. 1. Salmon, the inflammation fighter. Let's start strong with something delicious. Salmon. I know, some of you might be like, ugh, fishy smell, no thanks. But trust me, salmon is a superhero food for your skin. It's loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, those healthy fats that help reduce inflammation, the main villain behind psoriasis. Omega-3s calm your immune system and help your skin regenerate in a healthier way. Studies even show that people who eat fatty fish regularly have fewer and milder psoriasis flare-ups. So if you can, try to eat salmon twice a week. Grill it, bake it, or even toss it into a salad. Your skin will thank you later. 2. Olive oil, liquid gold for your skin. Now, let's move to the Mediterranean secret, olive oil. You've probably heard it's great for heart health, but did you know it's also amazing for your skin? Olive oil is packed with vitamin E and healthy fats that help moisturize your skin and repair damage caused by dryness and inflammation. You can use it both ways. Eat it and apply it. Drizzle it on your salad or warm veggies, or, for some extra love, apply a few drops directly on your psoriasis patches. It soothes itching and helps restore your skin's natural moisture barrier. If you want a full spa-like experience, add a couple of teaspoons to your warm bath. Your skin will feel smooth, calm, and nourished afterward. 3. Cherries. Tiny but mighty. Next up, cherries. They're sweet, juicy, and secretly powerful when it comes to fighting inflammation. Cherries are rich in antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, that work like tiny soldiers, battling the free radicals that damage your skin. They also help reduce the production of inflammatory chemicals in your body. So grab a bowl of fresh cherries when you crave a snack. Fun fact, cherries are also linked to better sleep, improved memory, and a lower risk of heart disease. Who knew fighting psoriasis could taste so good? 4. Blueberries, the brain and skin booster. Speaking of berries, let's not forget blueberries. These little guys are bursting with vitamin C, fiber, and manganese, all of which support your immune system and skin health. Vitamin C helps your body make collagen, which keeps your skin elastic and glowing. Meanwhile, antioxidants help protect against oxidative stress, something people with psoriasis often struggle with. So throw a handful into your smoothie or yogurt. Simple, sweet, and powerful. 5. Trout, the vitamin D star. If you're not into salmon, don't worry. Trout has your back. Just 3 ounces of rainbow trout can give you 100% of your daily vitamin D needs. Vitamin D is crucial because it helps control how skin cells grow and shed, something that goes wrong in psoriasis. Plus, it keeps your immune system balanced, so it's less likely to overreact. Try it grilled with lemon or pan-seared with herbs. It's mild, tasty, and your skin will absolutely love it. 6. Brussels sprouts, the veggie underdog. Okay, I get it. These tiny green balls may have haunted your childhood dinner table. But listen, Brussels sprouts are one of the best vegetables you can eat for psoriasis. They're rich in antioxidants, fiber, and vitamin K, which helps reduce inflammation and supports healthy skin repair. Just half a cup gives you your daily vitamin K intake. Roast them with a little olive oil, salt, and garlic. Trust me, once they're crispy, you'll love them. 7. Avocado. Creamy skin. Savor. Ah yes, everyone's favorite fruit, the avocado. This creamy powerhouse is packed with vitamin K, fiber, and healthy monounsaturated fats that keep your skin hydrated from within. It also contains more potassium than bananas, which helps balance your body's hydration levels and supports skin cell renewal. People who eat avocados regularly tend to have better skin elasticity and fewer dryness problems, both of which matter if you're fighting psoriasis. So go ahead, mash it, spread it, or blend it. Your body will be glowing from the inside out. 8. Cinnamon, the sweet anti-inflammatory spice. Let's spice things up. Cinnamon isn't just for your morning latte, it's a hidden gem for your skin. It's rich in antioxidants that help block NF-kappa B, a protein linked to inflammation and many skin disorders. You can sprinkle it on oatmeal, mix it in smoothies, or try a simple home remedy: a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar mixed with a dash of cinnamon in warm water, up to 3 times a day. It helps improve circulation and calms inflammation. But remember, moderation is key. 9. Goat's milk, a gentle dairy option. Now here's an interesting one. Goat's milk. While cow's milk and dairy can sometimes trigger inflammation, goat's milk is gentler and may actually help psoriasis sufferers. It's often used in soaps or creams because it's rich in lactic acid and natural fats that soften the skin. Using goat's milk soap can soothe irritation and reduce dryness. If you can't find goat's milk products, don't worry. Even small amounts of regular milk can provide vitamin D. Just stick to moderation. Eggs. Breakfast with benefits. Let's talk eggs. They're one of the best sources of vitamin D and high-quality protein. But here's a tip. Go easy on the yolk. The yolk contains arachidonic acid, which in excess can promote inflammation. So if you have frequent flare-ups, try using mostly egg whites, or limit how often you eat whole eggs. A couple of eggs a week can give you the skin-supporting nutrients you need without triggering inflammation. 11. Swiss cheese, a good cheese. Choice cheese lovers rejoice. Not all cheese is bad news. Swiss cheese is rich in vitamin D, calcium, and vitamin K, nutrients that strengthen your bones and help your skin heal faster. However, keep your portions small. A slice or two now and then is perfect. Enjoy it guilt-free while keeping inflammation under control. 12. Carrots, the color of healing. Bright, crunchy, and full of life. Carrots are not just for your eyesight, but for your skin too. They're loaded with beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A, a nutrient that helps your skin grow new cells and stay smooth. Vitamin A also helps regulate the shedding of old skin cells, a process that's often out of balance in psoriasis. Snack on them raw or roast them with olive oil for a delicious, skin-loving side dish. 13. Whole grains, the fiber heroes. We've talked fruits, veggies, and fish. Now it's time for whole grains. Think oats, brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread. These foods are full of fiber, which helps lower inflammation and balance your gut bacteria, something researchers now believe is connected to skin conditions like psoriasis. When your gut is healthy, your skin often follows. So, swap out white bread and refined carbs for whole grains. Small change, big impact. 14. Coconut oil, the soothing secret. And finally, the grand finale. Coconut oil. Who doesn't love that tropical scent? This one's not for eating though. It's for your skin. When applied topically, coconut oil acts as a deep moisturizer that locks in hydration and helps reduce inflammation. After a shower, gently massage a thin layer onto affected areas. It softens those dry, scaly patches and keeps your skin calm and smooth. It's like a mini spa treatment at home. Wrapping up, nourish your skin from within. So there you have it, friends. 14 powerful foods that can help fight psoriasis naturally. Remember, psoriasis is more than skin deep. It's connected to inflammation throughout your whole body. By choosing anti-inflammatory foods like fish, fruits, veggies, and healthy fats, you're not just healing your skin, you're strengthening your entire system. Of course, food alone isn't a cure. but it can make a huge difference in how your body feels, how your skin heals, and how confident you are every day. So tell me in the comments, which of these foods are you going to add to your diet this week? Are you team salmon, team avocado, or team coconut oil? Don't forget to hit that like button if you learned something new. Subscribe for more natural health tips, and share this video with someone who might need a little skin healing inspiration today. Until next time, take care of yourself, inside and out. This is Health for You, reminding you that true beauty starts with what you feed your body and your soul.